Hey folks, public service announcement from Melbourne Sports Physio. Cracking your knuckles is not bad for you. That doesn't matter. I'm not going to get arthritis in my hands because I've just cracked my knuckles. So maybe don't listen to what your grandma's told you or your mum's told you or your father's told you in the past about cracking your knuckles gives you arthritis. It is not true. There is no hardcore proof or research to say that cracking your knuckles gives you arthritis in your knuckle joints. So feel free to do it. If it feels good, do it. If you don't like doing it, don't do it. It's simple, but don't panic that you're going to give yourself arthritis in your knuckles by doing so. Hope that helps to clear things up.